Oh my days.
Holy fuck.
Bro, don't lose it, don't lose it.
This is Mafia
Too
music
small.
in a Maybach, that is.
Oh, it's a yakka.
Hello YouTube channel. Subscribe to this guy's horrible at fishing.
Hey,
Okay.
how much is your bait?
What?
Guy keeps sending me
this
to
guy.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
You know,
He caught an 85cm carp. I used that as bait, but it's
your
alright.
YouTube channel's gonna go crazy when they see me.
Yeah.
I'm famous, man. I'm famous.
They actually gonna post that?
Maybe. Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of. No.
Do it for your own sake. Trust me, they're gonna know me.
Yeah.
What is it? Don't worry.
No, there's one. It's not a sheet, it's actually.
How do you know?
Bodies.
Oh my fucking day. That's a yakka. It's a yakka.
They're just big.
No, that's a bunny. That's a bunny.
No, they're monsters.
No. Well, you put your line in. Oh my fucking days. That was not my fault. Oh, this is a bunny. It's a bunny. I reckon. Oh, it's a yakka.
When does yakka? Just holding your drag, please.
Oh yeah.
Now it's gonna go.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there is two. I might as well cast it.
What? It's a slimy, I think. No, it's a yakka.
I hope it is.
Slimy.
That's a kingfish. Oh, watch what I'm gonna do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my line's losing. Fuck.
Yeah, it was the fish's fault, not mine.
What? It was yours.
Oh, it's fighting hard.
Oh, you could.
Oh shit, it's fighting hard.
Yeah, because it's not a yakka.
Why is the back there?
Five fish.
Stop. Everyone reel in.
Let me get close.
Wait, don't go too
Oh my days.
Holy fuck.
Bro, don't lose it, don't lose it.
On the livey as well. On the livey. I reckon it's a bonnie. Wait, move. Come over. Daniel, come. You have to walk with it. Oh. Holy fuck.
And as you were saying, the line is not working.
Well, I can actually make a YouTube video now. What is it?
I reckon it's a body. It's going side to side.
I know
Take it. Oh, my wrist's actually getting pretty sore.
I can fight it for you. Oh yeah, what is it? Kingy? No. Bonnie.
Oh, king, it's a king.
It's a king.
Is it actually? Yes, it's a king. Bro, you can't get me. I got it.
That's a kingy. It's a kingy. Oh, it's a kingy.
Oh, he's gonna get me.
Come on. Get on the ladder. No, this is great. It's kingy.
Bring it.
Kingy. Holy fuck. He's pretty tired for some reason.
My wrist is so sore.
Live yakka. No.
Bring him here.
Wait, he's chill.
Wait, do you want me to lay down?
No, it's not.
Alright.
Yes. On the light setup.
I can go down the ladder if you want. It's fine, this can reach. On the snap desk guy.
No.
No, you're good.
Holy king.
Oh, fuck.
Yes.
First game.
On the light setup.
I like you too.
That's big.
Yeah, it's actually pretty decent. How big? I'll get my map. Maybe 60. Oh, my wrist is so sore.
I'm up with it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Spear. Oh, good spear.
No.
Thanks. No, he's alive.
Yeah, he should be right.
Fucking good spear. Oh, thanks.
He looks bigger in the water. livey. See if it gets anything. I got it.
Bring it over.
I got it. I'll do it. I got it.
Too heavy for you. Big muscle.
It's just slippery.
Thank you.
Oh, Julie. So.
Oh, Carson, actually good.
Did it fly hard?
Yeah.
Are you keeping that?
No, it's just.
Too small.
And I wouldn't eat in the harbour anyway. You can take fun, you know?
Well, that's sick.
Yeah.
Do you want it? Alright, fish eyes.
What was it? Alright.
Right.
Why is it shy?
What do you mean?
Just leave him alone, you fuckhead.
It's a slimy.
Is it a slimy?
Yeah.
Slimy's a... What? Jesus. Oh, fuck.
Alright, fancy seeing you here.
I want to use been traveling for like 7 hours to find a rock spot. And we haven't even fished yet. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yellow, that's a kick.
It's actually slimy?
No, yellow. Oh, do you bait for us?
Yeah.
Pump the dog. What are you doing? Lock up and
Yellow.
Yellow, that's a kick.
Oh, sorry.
So shiny. Oh, yellow is king. Is there any small yakkies?
Yeah, I have one on my live. Oh, what is my livey doing?
Oh my gosh, that's a king. Set. How do you know? It's not pretty spit. Oh, I think he's on your line.